Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Microsoft rewards without phone number. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Microsoft site and log into your account, so once I've logged into your rewards account here, so you can see all these redeem options and everything. So once you're here, so we're going to, if you want to use your redeem your rewards without phone numbers, so you can scroll all the way down and you will see an option called Contact Microsoft Rewards Support. Simply click on it and then this will open up a support request where you can initiate a support request. So all you have to do is simply type in here redeem rewards without phone number. So just type that in. Okay, so once you're done with that, and what you're going to do now, scroll down and then fill up the rest of the fields here. So click on it, scroll down, and then your name, email address, all other information. So you just need to fill in this form. It's pretty a short form, short quick form, so you can just select these and fill in with this information here, email and you need assistance with redeeming points, and then just select one that best suits your request. Alright, once you have provided all this information here, and then all you have to do is hit on submit, and then this will raise a request to Microsoft, to the Microsoft team, and they will get back to you with your with a message for you to redeem your rewards without a phone number. So this is the only way how you can redeem it without phone numbers. You just have to reach out to the Microsoft team through a support request. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.